guys, welcome back to Cheers.
Hey, we have a favorites video for the month of September already.
Wow, she got it right this time. She's always just like, is it October? Is it August? I don't know.
It's because I have to do the calendar every day now for school.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I'm already counting down the days, y'all.
For the next break. Me too.
/ end of school already.
Anyways, if you guys want to see what our favorites are for the month of September, then just keep watching.
I will start with my makeup fave because it's from Laura right here. She got me the Honey palette from ColourPop, and it's gorgeous. Like, here are the colors. It's basically every shade of yellow that you could ever want in a palette. And I've just been obsessed with it. Like, my favorite shades are Queen Bee and Buzzkill. Like, so bomb. I can't even, like...
Let me see, which one's Queen Bee? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, I'm
She's
wearing...
like, my favorite colors in the palette are the brown ones.
No, the Queen Bee is this one. It looks yellow on the lid.
Oh, does it? It looks super brown here.
Yeah, it's brown, but
oh,
it's like
what?
super gold. Yeah.
What? Okay.
So like, I'm wearing Queen Bee on my lids. Like, that's the sparkly shade right now. And then like on the outer, like my transition shade is the Buzzkill shade.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, that's so funny because Queen Bee is this one right here.
But it turns out a lot more
But
gold.
then it looks like this on, like, when you have it on. Obviously, if you saw Chanel's eyelids.
Yeah. Yeah, so I've been like really loving this palette. It's given me all the golden honey vibes, and I think ColourPop knocked it out of the park with that one.
All right, my next favorite is also ColourPop. If you've seen our most recent video, then it was like the battle of the lip liners, and my clear winner was the ColourPop Lippie pencil, and the one that I have is BFF2. I have it on my lips today. And I've just been loving the consistency of it. Like, it's super creamy. If you want to see a more in-depth review of it, then definitely go look at that after this video.
Watch this video first. My next two favorites are kind of more skincare, hydration, because y'all know I have a problem. So one of them is the egg cream mask from Too Cool for School, and it's so cute. It's just a little hydrating sheet mask, but it's like super hydrating. And one thing that I've been doing with it is putting my CosRX hyaluronic acid cream on and then putting that on top.
Oh.
Girl, I wake up in the morning and I'm just like
Glowing.
Oh, do I even need to wear foundation today? No. Like, it's so good.
Dang.
Yeah,
Where did you get it from?
I
Sephora?
really don't know. My sister got it for me as a gift, so I am not sure, but I will look it up and put it in the description
Because I know
below.
Sephora has this brand, Too Cool for
maybe
School,
they-
so maybe there.
Yeah, maybe they're, I want to say like probably Ulta, because Ulta's actually been like expanding their
that's
Korean
true, too.
skincare stuff. It's just been like really, really nice. It's intensely hydrating.
I can feel it. The sheet feels super like so
Squishy.
and yeah.
It is, and it's like super, it's not like the cheap sheet mask, it's really thick cotton, and then it has like a netting on top, so like, do you know what I mean?
Do you keep the netting on?
No, you like...
You peel it off.
Peel it off, yeah, but it like distributes the moisture throughout the mask a little more, so I've just been loving it. Like, it's so good. If you see it in the store, get it if you have dry skin.
Okay. I want to try it out now too.
Yeah, it's so good.
All right, my next favorite is also ColourPop, and it's the Lippie Stix. And I've been pairing both the Lippie pencil and this together. This one is called Parker Matte, and it's the one that I got from the, what's it called? The Orange You Glad palette, and it was like part of that collection. I've been really loving this because up until now, my favorite one was like the Physicians Formula liquid lipstick, and I really, really loved the color, but then a lot of times like Chanel and I, we blot our liquid lipsticks on, and I don't like the aspect of getting like
Your
lips.
finger dirty.
Yeah,
too.
exactly. And then I'm just like rubbing it all over my hand, just trying to distribute it evenly.
clean.
Yeah, it's like, it's fine. You can't see it anymore. But anyways, so this one has been really nice for not having to use my finger with, and I've been loving the color. Very natural, berryish, nudie, whatever you want to call it. But these two together go really nicely. This one is a little bit darker, but it goes with the trend of like the darker outlined lip.
It gives you the voluptuous pout.
Exactly. And then this one's just ever so slightly lighter. So I've been really loving this combination together. If you don't like the harsh lines of like the darker on the outside and then the light on the inside, these actually blend together very, very nicely, especially if you kind of use this as like a base first.
Like all over?
All over, or just like, you know, the lines that some people do where they like do a line here and then like a little bit on the corners
like
and
where
stuff
your
like
mouth
that.
would crease.
Yeah, exactly, like the crease lines, I guess, of your mouth, and then you put it this as a topper.
My last favorite is a video that I filmed before this one, but it's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And the packaging is to die for, the smell is to die for, the recipe is to die for. Like, I've just been loving it. Ooh. And yeah, it smells so good.
You're right, it smells like Jolly Rancher's watermelon.
Like exactly the same smell. It's crazy. I know. But this is like a mask I'll probably use 2-3 times a week depending on like how my skin's feeling. But basically, I wake up in the morning after like I sleep with it all night, and it's like a peeling mask, so it like
there's like pills on your
it pills
skin.
up, but it's not like, oh my god, there's pills everywhere on my pillow. It's not like that. Like,
but a little bit, right?
Probably a little bit, but it's not like.
Wait, how do you sleep though? Do you tend to sleep like on your back?
Well, I start sleeping on my back, and then I wake up and I'm just like
yeah,
everywhere.
I'm like very much the type to just like
yeah, same. So. And like I've done that too with it on, but it dries pretty fast, but it's weird. Like it dries, there's a film, but it's not, it's still like tacky feeling. I don't know how to explain it.
Like the hyaluronic acid one, right?
Yeah, kind of, but less sticky.
But less, but less sticky. Okay.
Yeah, so it's a little more comfortable to sleep in, I would say.
Yeah, that's true.
And then I just kind of rinse it off in the morning, just water by itself. You could use a cleanser, but I kind of like leaving the juices all up on my face.
It's actually better for your skin to do it that way than stripping
it off,
your face of its natural oils that it produced throughout the night.
Yeah, so I've just been like doing water because I don't want like the pills on my face, you know, like from it peeling. So water, and then like I'll put like my regular skincare Atomy line on, and it's still like significantly more glowy. Ooh. Yeah, just from doing it overnight. So I've been using it like as a pick-me-up, and it's almost been a month since I've had this.
How often
like,
do you use it?
2-3 times a week, and it barely looks like I dented it.
And how much do you use each time? Like
it says like the website and the instructions say that you have to use like a dime-sized amount, but that's like so much. Like it's uncomfortably a lot. So I just kind of, it comes with a little spatula, so I dip it in there, and it's like plenty to go on my whole face, and I feel like I wake up in the morning and I still feel it.
Dang.
So I don't think you need more than that unless you're like
Have you tried it with the dime-sized amount?
I did the first time, and I was like,
just too
oh
much.
my god. Yeah, like I didn't know where to put everything.
Oh,
so I like ended up putting it like all over.
Dang, what?
Yeah.
Oh, it distributes really far then.
A teeny bit goes a super long way. So I think like for the price, this will last so long, because it's only been a month and it looks like it's brand new.
Yeah, it looks like you hardly dented it.
Literally, it's still full.
Yeah.
And I use it 2-3 times a week. So been loving this, highly recommend.
She was like, oh my gosh, I don't even feel like I need to wear foundation anymore because
I don't. Like I wake up in the like for work, I'll just like do my brows and mascara and leave.
All right, my last favorite is also another like pinky skincare thing. It's
the trend.
Yeah, this one is from Clinique, and it is the Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator.
The name.
Yeah. And I've been really liking it. I had really, really dry skin when I went to California this past summer, and I just happened to have the sample size of this, And I just gave it a try like a few days, and my makeup was looking bomb despite the crustiness. Like it hit the crustiness real well, you know? Like I still felt a little bit dry, but because of this, I felt like it didn't look, nor did it feel super as much.
That's
you know?
good.
So this was a lifesaver. So Sephora was having a sale where it was like 50% off. Yeah, this was 50% off, so I got 2 because I was like, it's like buying one.
Yeah, true.
So
It's such a cute little color.
I know, I've been really liking the pink colors. I mean, I've always have, but.
Oh.
And it just smells clean. You know, Clinique, it doesn't have like a lot
It
of.
has a signature like Clinique smell.
Yeah. Just like clean.
Skincare
Yeah.
smell. I don't know.
Which is nice for like sensitive skinned people. I would assume that this would do really well. It's allergy tested and it's 100% fragrance free. So if you have sensitive skin and dry sensitive skin, give this a shot.
Well, those are our favorites for the month of September, and we hope you enjoyed watching this video.
And if you did, then we would love it if you gave us a like on the video and subscribed to our channel and ring that notification bell if you want to continue seeing more content like this.
Yeah, and as always, guys,
Cheers to a good week. Bye.